Sit still, but don't pretend you're alone. There's another you, always watching. Inhale through your nose. Feel the breath split down the middle. Exhale through your mouth. One side steady, the other unraveling. Again, inhale. Let duality rise. Exhale. Let the conflict clarify. Now imagine two mirrors facing each other. One shows you as calm, calculating, collected. The other shows you manic, grinning, wild-eyed. Breathe into both. Neither is wrong. Neither is whole without the other. Say aloud or within, I am contradiction. I am control and chaos. I am the whisper and the scream. I am the villain who watches himself burn. Let the two voices breathe through you. Let them speak without choosing. You do not need to reconcile. You only need to contain. Inhale, steady. Exhale, twisted. One final breath, where both selves sit on the throne. You are not broken. You are both doors and the key.